Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your estate with trust and will, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by determining your estate's value. Gather all relevant financial documents. List your assets, including property, investments, and personal belongings. Next, assess your family's needs and future liabilities. Consider any debts or expenses that may affect your estate. Research the different types of trusts available. Understand the differences between revocable and irrevocable trusts. A revocable trust can be altered, while an irrevocable trust cannot. Evaluate whether a will is sufficient for your situation. A will outlines how your assets should be distributed after you pass. If necessary, consult with an estate planning attorney. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. Once you decide on a trust, obtain the necessary legal forms. Fill out the forms accurately and thoroughly. Include all relevant details about your assets and beneficiaries. Be clear about your wishes for each asset. Consider naming a successor trustee. This person will manage the trust after your death. Next, ensure that your trust or will is properly executed. This usually involves signing the document in front of witnesses or a notary. Store your documents in a safe yet accessible location. Communicate your plans to your family or beneficiaries. This helps avoid confusion or disputes later on. Review your estate plan regularly. Life changes, such as marriage or divorce, may require updates. Consider discussing your estate plan during family meetings. This can foster understanding and cooperation among heirs. Lastly, remember that protecting your estate is an ongoing process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.